What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Subaru video. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about and installing 6 stickers that you need for your Subaru Impreza to make it stand out among the crowd. So I have all my stickers, overlays if you will. We're going to be starting with our rear reflectors. I love the shape and the dimensions of this vehicle. I really just don't like those really huge bright red reflectors, so we're going to be smoking those. Next, we're going to move on to the signal light and the backup light. We're going to go ahead and give those a nice smoke look. Then we're going to go ahead and move up top to the third brake light. We're going to give that a nice smoke look to kind of complement the back end appearance. And then on the side of the brake light, we do have a red reflector in the brake light itself that we're going to be smoking as well. And then we're going to move to the front, and we have those beautiful bright DOT required orange reflectors. We're going to be smoking those as well. And then we do have number 6, which is going to be a little special one. I'm going to save that one to the very end, and we'll show you guys which one that one is. Now, everything we are installing today is going to be linked down in the description down below for you guys to buy them and check them out for yourself if you want to install them on your own Impreza. So with all that said, let's get started. All right, guys, so for installation, it's going to be pretty straightforward. What we're going to do is we're going to take some isopropyl alcohol. I do have a premix right here. We're going to spray right here and wipe down the area. That way the overlays have a nice clean surface to bond to. Now, the instructions do state that this is just a dry application, so all we're going to do is peel off the decal, stick it on there, and then we're good. Now, it does say and recommend that the temperature you're installing these is above 60 degrees. Otherwise, the film might be a little more difficult to work with. All right, guys, so with that one, it was a little more in-depth because it came with 2 pieces that you kind of had to morph together. It came out okay. You saw me pull out the X-Acto knife because I was kind of over quite a bit, and then I couldn't get it to really line up how I really wanted it to, but I think it came out decent enough. So yeah, that's third brake light. We're gonna go ahead and show you this light test. And there you go, guys. As you can see, the lights shined right through. They weren't as bright, obviously, as untinted ones, but that's okay because in the future, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy some LED bulbs and replace them with these factory halogen ones, and then it'll give us an even brighter shine so we won't have to worry about reduced light output. So now moving on to number 6, our final decal we're gonna be installing today is this right here. These are some scratch guards. As you can see, they have the STI logo on there. I thought it was kind of cool. Let's go ahead and install these. Well, there we have it, guys. That's 6 stickers that will instantly transform the look of your Subaru Impreza. If you like what you saw, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next install video. Peace.